So brothers and sisters, a reminder. Let's remind ourselves quickly. Whatever you do in life, the good and the bad, it is for your own self. If it's good, it is for your own good. And if it is bad, it is against your own soul. Listen to Allah. قَدْ جَاءَكُمْ بَصَائِرُ مِنْ رَبِّكُمْ فَمَنْ أَبْصَرَ فَلِنَفْسِهِ وَمَنْ عَمِيَ فَعَلَيْهَا وَمَا أَنَا عَلَيْكُمْ بِحَفِيظٍ. Indeed, insights have come to you from your Lord. Indeed, proofs have come to you from your Lord. فَمَنْ أَبْصَرَ فَلِنَفْسِهِ. Whoever chooses to see, it is for his own good. وَمَنْ عَمِيَ فَعَلَيْهَا. And whoever chooses to remain blind, it is against his own soul.